afternoon, everybody. Today is Thursday, December 1st, 2022, and I'm working here to put this tank on this truck. This is another video from the series where I don't cut or edit the videos, but today I'm gonna put 3 videos together. This one is the first one that I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna make another video during the process, and then at the end I'm gonna do another one to show you the result. I'm gonna take off this bolt right here and this other one right here. I can use this hole and I can use this one, but I have to drill 3 right here and 3, one here, another here, and another here and here, and this is what's gonna happen. And just start the other truck, fire up the engine so I can put the truck here and use the pneumatic gun, the air gun, to take it off. And this is it. We have this one already in place. I'm gonna put this other one and then the tank. So this is it. I hope you like it.